guys, I hope you are all well and thank you for watching my very short video. And if you're not subscribed, please do so, it will make me very happy. And if my content is something that you would like to watch. And today I want to share with you my new discovery from Federico Mahora Pure Perfume 173 in intense version. So intense version, it says right there and the number says there, and it's inspired by Hypnotic Poison from Dior. So this is very sexy perfume. It comes in 50 ml bottle like this. I'll show you the box later. And it's very kind of sweet. You can definitely smell licorice in there, and it's very good compliment getter. It's absolutely lovely. I got so many compliments today as well. I was wearing it today and they were like, oh, I really like this, what is this? I was thinking it smells really nice, that it must be you. So yeah, guys like it, women love it as well, and everybody just loves this one. So it's very good crowd pleaser as well. As I said, it's kind of sweet, kind of like very hard to explain for me, but I would say I can smell a lot of licorice. Yeah, it's very prominent in there. So today's choice is 173 intense version. So intense version has got 30% of fragrance oil extra. Okay, so it's gonna smell stronger and longer, and it's just beautiful, this one. And it's my favorite new discovery. Love it. It's got lovely atomizer. It's got sandalwood, musk, licorice, anise. It's beautiful. Some almonds in there, and we've got also balm and shower gel from the same scent 173, and it smells similar to Hypnotic Poison from Dior. If you like this one, then you will love this one, and I love it. And the box looks like this. So yeah, just a little cutie box, and the number you can always see on the top, but I think the Federico Mahora is changing stuff soon, so you will see it at the front in the future, the numbers of the fragrances, because at the moment it's quite invisible on the top, so they're gonna put it in the future on the front of the boxes. So yeah, I think that's all I can say at the moment about fragrance 173 Intense from Federico Mahora. If you liked my little short review, give me thumbs up, subscribe if you like my content, and thank you very much for watching. And all the rest of the information I will put in the description box, and all the links below in the description box. So thank you.